Hey everybody, what's up? It's Colin583 here again. Today, we're back with this Galaxy box fan again from the last video. And over there, you can see some gray and white spray paint. And what I plan on doing today is putting some paint on these blades in this front grille here. So, let's dive into it. So, I don't know if the camera picks it up very well, but this front grille is definitely yellowed if you compare down there to up here. But otherwise it's in pretty much perfect condition except for a little bit of plastic that got worn away here from cleaning. The other side's perfectly white. This side is half yellow. So a little white spray paint on that, and we're gonna see. This whole thing is an experiment to see if the spray paint sticks well to plastic and see how it looks. The blades are a different story here. I'm not gonna be able to pull these off one-handed. But you can see, if you look at the back here, normal color, not normal color, I think this was sun damage, and there's a little bit of rough spots, but I'm hoping the paint will cover it up well, because it's not really very deep. But yeah, I got some gray paint here, and I think that matches pretty well. I don't know how well it matches well, it seems to match the blades pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and pull these blades off so it's a little easier. Alright, so that matches pretty well, and I think through the grill and everything, I don't think anybody will be able to notice, especially seeing as though I'll probably do both sides. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to go clean these both very thoroughly, and I'll put a coat on, and then I'll do an update, because it's going to be impossible to video me spray painting just from the angle of my lawn where I do it. So I'll be back in a second with some paint on these things. Okay, so this is several hours later. Paint's been drying for a while. This grill came out really good. It's very, very much white now and not yellow. And the paint even managed to kind of cover up these rough spots over here. That looks really good. Back of the blades looks pretty much the same, which is good. That means the color went well. The front is mixed reviews. It's a hell of a lot better than it was. But the paint came out kind of shiny, probably because I put it on too thick. But it didn't fully cover up the damage to the plastic. I covered up some of it, like some of these other blades had little things in them, but for the bigger things it didn't fully cover it up, which I wasn't expecting it to, but it still looks a lot better than it did. So I think I'm going to go ahead and throw this thing back together and we'll see how it looks. Wow, that's quite a transformation. I think that front grill is even brighter than the back one. Well, it's just a little shinier, I think. This was white gloss paint. That was all I had. The blades look like infinitely better. Still not thrilled about how shiny they are, but it still looks so much better than it did. Like, I'm actually surprised. So, anyways, it should still work the same, but I'm going to plug it in anyways. If you excuse the shaky camera. I didn't feel like gripping my tripod, so here we go on high. The only difference I spot is that it smells more like spray paint now. But it looks a lot better. Do a spin down here. I believe this thing also needs a set of thrust washers, but I really don't feel like going into the motor right now, especially for a fan that's probably just going to be like a knock-around shop fan. I'm probably not going to put the effort into giving it thrust washers. But yeah, looks like the spin down time was a little shorter there, but whatever. It looks a lot better now, that's all I care about, and for like $5 that it costs for paint, I think it was worth it. I'm probably not gonna like touch up the cabinet at all, but yeah, that color was pretty much a direct match. So anyways guys, I'm rambling now. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.